My first priority in the morning is cuddling all of the animals. Ollie knows as soon as I wake up in the morning, he sleeps on the couch, but I can be awake for 2 minutes and he knows. I don't even have to move. It's the weirdest thing. Does anybody else's dog do that? But he jumps in bed immediately with me when he finds out I'm awake, and we cuddle for a few minutes. Margot, she's in and out. You never know where she's going to be in the mornings, but most of the time she is in the bed. Puff's a loner. We all know that, so we'll get to her in a minute. I normally drink the rest of my water that I have on my nightstand from the night before I get up. And then I make my way to Puff. She is just too short to get into the bed, and even if we did put her in the bed, she would not want to cuddle. She's only interested in being scratched, as you can see. So I give her her morning scratches, and then the dogs know that it's immediately time to go out. So as soon as I leave the room, they follow me and they know it's time for the potty break. Shower routine is pretty basic. I like to use the Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. That's the one I've been using recently. Tried not to do the tacky shower scene where you almost see my boobs, so we're just going to move on to the rest of the products I use. I use Dr. Bronner's Castille soap and the Dermalogica clearing skin wash for my shower products. After drying off, I move on to my skincare. As you can see, I'm a loyalist to Dermalogica. I have been using their products for years. So here I'm using their eye cream. It's the multivitamin eye cream. Since it is wintertime, my skin is so dry, so I have to pop a little bit of Aquaphor on the drier parts of my face. It's really the only thing that will keep me from peeling throughout the day. So for moisturizer, I like to use a lighter weight one. Even in the wintertime, I don't like to have a super heavy moisturizer on. This one from Dermalogica is called Active Moist, and I use it underneath my makeup and also on my neck. Just pretty much everywhere. It's multi-purpose. I normally brush my teeth after I have my coffee, but I thought I would show you all what I use. I'm using the Crest 3D White Brilliance toothpaste. This entire line is amazing. I have the mouthwash as well. The toothbrush I use is from Crest or Colgate, and it's the extra soft bristle toothbrush. It's so amazing if you have braces or sensitive skin because it's just super soft. Now we're moving into coffee finally. I don't have to have my coffee first thing in the morning. As long as I have it within like 30 minutes to an hour, I'm good. So I'm making an iced caramel macchiato this morning, and if you missed my recipe on how I make this, you can go to my Instagram food highlight and I talk about how I make this. I don't have an espresso maker, so I just make my espresso in a French press. I use the Starbucks espresso roast, and I basically just use about a cup and a half of grounds to about half a cup of water. That way the espresso is nice and strong. Let that steep up in my French press for a good 5 minutes. And while that's steeping, I like to chill out on the couch. This is going to seem like such a random plug, but I swear I do this every single day. Not sponsored. I use the app Duolingo, which basically teaches you new languages. I have been learning French for the past like 5 months now. I've let up a month or so I'm kind of behind. I'm not doing too hot on it right now, but if you want to learn a new language and you need something that's fun, easy, and free, I would definitely recommend Duolingo. I've learned a lot. Wouldn't say that I can fully speak French yet, but I can read it pretty well at this point, even at just like this 4 or 5 month mark. So while the coffee is steeping, I'll play this, and after my lesson is done, that's about the time my espresso is ready to be pressed. So I just press it, and this is a lengthy process if you don't have an espresso maker. So I let my espresso chill out, because if you put espresso in with an iced drink, it will melt the ice. If you put a hot espresso in, should I say. So I let it cool off, and I just go ahead and I make the beginning stages. So it's just a little bit of milk, ice, some syrup. I use the toffee nut from Starbucks, a little drizzle of caramel, and then you toss your espresso over the top and you have a nice iced macchiato. Afterwards, I take my coffee with me into my office where all of my makeup is, and I just do my makeup for the day. I don't wear a ton of makeup on a daily basis. You all probably know this, and the products that I use obviously fluctuate. Today I'm using the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I'm trying out this new Charlotte Tilbury Magic Concealer. I don't have an opinion on it yet. Actually, I don't know. I should just say I don't know. I know some people will ask, but just don't know about it yet. And then another product I use pretty much on the daily is the Milk Makeup Bronzing Stick. You all know this is a favorite for me. I just think it looks really natural, and I need the extra warmth on my skin throughout the winter months. So I'll just set my face with a little bit of powder, and then again, I normally go in with a little extra bronzer just because I need it. So Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? The Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow Palette, I think. A little bit of shadow, mascara, and a nice natural glossy lip, and that's pretty much it. This is like my favorite makeup look to do on a daily basis just because it matches anything. I don't really have to worry about it matching what I'm going to wear for the day. And speaking of that, I've already picked out my outfit. It was really cold this day, so I just have a nice thick pair of Madewell jeans with a chunky sweater. Margot's like, please get away from me. I love Madewell jeans. Most of the jeans that I wear are either Gap or Madewell, and these are just a favorite pair of mine. The sweater I got from a local boutique not too long ago, which is really random because normally I don't shop at boutiques, but this was a really nice one. It's held up nicely. So just a nice casual, chunky winter outfit. Okay, a lot of you all have probably seen me talk about this on my Instagram. This is a new invention that I've added to my hair routine. It's called the Revlon One Step or Instant Step Volumizer. I just really messed that up. I'm going to have to put the name down below. It's got a pretty long name, but basically it is a hair dryer attached to a brush. And the reason I got this is because I saw Milaboo, who is a hair channel here on YouTube. She does great hair tutorials. She compared this to the new Dyson Airwrap, and she said that they were very similar in terms of how they work, except this one's not $500. This was like $30. I got it off of Amazon. You can find it on Amazon or Ulta. And it works really well. It gives my hair so much volume. It just makes it look nice and sleek. And most days I haven't even been using like a curling iron on my hair. I've just been using this because it looks super soft and just really put together, kind of like I just went and got a blowout at the salon. So if you haven't checked this thing out and you're kind of not the best at hair like me, I would definitely check it out because it's so easy to use, and you can just see, like, I'm not even done drying my hair yet, but it gives my hair so much volume. So this is what my hair looks like after using the Revlon blow dryer. I absolutely love it. Full of body and volume, and I don't even have to curl it, so that's one less step for me. So after I'm done with my hair, I'm pretty much done getting ready. I'm ready to start on some work for the day. It's normally around 10:30. I hope you enjoyed the little morning ritual snippets. Let me know what your morning ritual looks like, and I will see y'all in my next video.